Today, I'm going to try some apple pie, and you'll see what I think. I'll skip out the video until I get rice. Never mind.
This is my fork.
I'll go get a fork.
Really?
Really? Go.
No. I'm not leaving. Ha ha. Look, guys, I got a gone tooth. And
That's her third gone tooth.
this one, this one.
She's crazy.
And Mama, the toothpaste is gonna give me, I'll say $5. Yeah. My hair looks so.
Most I already got was 10.
That's what's better.
This is good. It's like
Unicorn.
it's like
no,
like
that's
a
not a unicorn.
Be quiet. I'm trying to do something.
Fine.
This is pretty good. Like it's soft, but like has pieces of apple in it. But it's like it's sweet.
I want them to see me toasted myself.
I'm sorry, my sister's a weirdo. I'll edit it out if I forget. Just tell me in the comments. But
I don't think anyone watches the channel.
people do.
Oh.
If they don't watch my channel, they won't know that I'm making this video right now.
Oh yeah.
Well, this is also kind of like a marshmallow. Like, the sweetness is kind of like if it melted marshmallow.
I might try some.
And it's kind of gooey, but it's good.
I want to try some apple pie.
I'll end out the episode here.
No, I want to
Bye.